Here is a special announcement for the parent and guardian of students searching for a good school. Hikmah Public School, English Medium, Nursery to 5th Standard, providing holistic as well as modern education. We at Hikmah Public School, within a short span of time, make your child Hafiz Quran. We have started a special 3 years Hifzul Quran course along with English, Maths, Science and Fiqh, the basic fundamental knowledge of Islam. Free admissions are now open up to 5th standard. Main features of our school: cultivating and shaping each student's heart according to Islamic teachings. Talented team of trained and experienced staff. Modern methods are used to transform education. Authentic Islamic education. CBSE and SSE syllabus. Complete digital education. Macmillan Education and I-Beam are our educational partners. Transport facility available. Free admissions are now open from nursery to 5th standard. You can now follow us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Make your child sharpen in both modern and holistic education. Free admissions are going on from nursery to 5th standard. Hikmah Public School, opposite Grand Festival Palace, Krida Road, Santosh Nagar, Water Tank Road, Hyderabad. Hikmah Public School.